Nice work, mate. Good, Dewey. That'll be getting close to a metre, I reckon.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Right there. Salmon. Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just our favourite spot here at Saltwater Arm. Gonna try for a few salmon, see if we can jag a barra. So let's get into it. Oh, fuck. Right there. Salmon. It pretty much got chopped by the motor. Full on for it, but yeah. Oh.
Oh, he's on. Press record.
Yeah. Feels like a salmon. He's coming this way quick because of the tide. Little salmon. Ah.
Giving you a bit of curry.
They go alright, the old salmon.
What's going on, Ted?
Especially in the turbulent water.
You'll tell it who's boss.
Come on, buddy. Steer clear of that Minn Kota.
Yeah, now the boat's turning.
Yeah. Oh no. Wind your lure up. He just had to play. Yeah, just had to play silly buggers, didn't he? He's just sitting in that current now.
Oh, fuck you, I'm just gonna stay here.
Yeah.
Make you work for it. Yeah, nice.
Jump up front if you want, Wendy, while I'm sorting him out.
No.
I've seen something. Alright, just scored a nice little blue salmon. Oh, pretty powerful fish. There's a few of them cruise around, so we're just going to flick a few more little shallow divers and plastics and see if we can get a feed for tonight. Is that a fin coming towards us down there, or is that just a leaf spinning?
Fin?
Is it?
Yep. It looks like.
Looks like a shark fin, doesn't it?
See if we can get him. It's a shark. That's a fin. Perfect. You see?
Yeah,
Is that a shark? Yeah.
yeah.
It's a big dog.
I don't want to catch that actually on the lure.
Don't hook a salmon right now, then.
He's got
He's
it.
going after it. Quick, quick, quick!
Oh! What is that little... What even is that? Like a leopard shark or something?
Cool looking thing.
Yeah. Yeah. Like leopard spots on it.
And we let it sink down, and then by the time it sinks, right
Yeah.
Ooh, fucking dog!
Oh. Jumper.
Yeah, he's got him. Right there too. Don't want to block the camera. I reckon it's just a big mullet.
What, that, this?
Yeah, just a big mullet. Little crab bait.
Crab bait. Yeah.
2-0.
It's only a baby.
There's another. Sweet. Get this up.
Alright, little fishing went a bit quiet, so we're going to try the double paternoster. See if we can get a goalie or even a dewey, just fishing this little rock. Same sort of area. And hopefully meet a dewey, here we come.
It's a big fish, whatever it is. Yeah, and then just dolphins in the background for the scenery.
Yeah. Ah, all this quality footage here, Red Life. Dolphins just busting up in the background, onto big fish.
You guys should we tell them small now?
I hope it's not a caddy or a shark.
One of those big caddies that.
Yeah, the golden.
Yeah, the golden ones. I don't know. I didn't think it was a shark, but. I haven't even seen any colour yet. No. Not that deep either, so. Shit is it? It's got to come up now. Oh, that looks good. That looks like a fucking tail. Could be a big thready.
Yeah, it could be. Don't know.
If I come on this side, probably come down here. It's better. Am I getting away?
Oh, dewey. Yep.
Oh shit. Over the net. Oh. Big dewey.
Nice work, mate. That's how the deweys do it.
Gotta be happy with that.
Nice work, mate. Good dewey. That'll be getting close to a metre, I reckon.
Yeah, pretty close to it.
Nice, fat, healthy fish.
Definitely gave him a good fight.
Good fight. And classic dewey. He's swallowed those hooks, hasn't he? Yep.
Good work.
Righto, the lie detector. 103.
He's ready. Maybe not.
You want a net, Wendy?
Yeah. Oh, little catfish.
Golden caddy.
Don't worry about the net. Fucking dog. Well, there's these down there too.
They're pretty for catfish.
Weird though. Not big.
The gold spot caddy king.
The pussy master.
The pussy master.
Look at it. It's like a twin.
New little stainless can coolers. Time to crack a fresh can. Nice. 4X.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate. Alright, gonna try flicking some barra now. Just got some little shallow dive lures and some plackies. Found some good colour change, clean water behind us, so hopefully score a little barra, hopefully tag fish.
I'm sucking out your other rod with the bait on it.
Alright everyone, that's the end of this episode. We got a few deweys, well actually just the one dewey, 2 good salmon, no barra unfortunately, they didn't come out and play the game today, but yeah, that's fishing, so we're going to chuck the boat on and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.